the skies are about to get a whole lot more thrilling. For years, drone enthusiasts have debated who rules the air: DJI with its legendary mini-series, or Insta360 with its groundbreaking 360 imaging technology. Now the stage is set for an even bigger clash. On one side, DJI is preparing its next big release. On the other, Insta360 has revealed its daring new entry under the Antigravity brand. This isn't just another product launch, it's shaping up to be a battle of aerial titans, the kind of showdown that makes every pilot sit up and take notice. The teaser for the anti-gravity drone has already created waves across the drone community. Those mysterious FPV goggles weren't just a gimmick, they were a promise of flying that goes beyond tapping on a controller into something immersive, like sitting inside the cockpit yourself. Imagine piloting a bird that sees everything in every direction, giving you cinematic freedom unlike anything before. That's the energy this drone is bringing to the skies, and it's exactly why August 14th is a date drone fans won't forget. Let's talk about what makes the anti-gravity drone so exciting. First, the weight, under 249 grams. That single number may not sound like much, but for drone pilots, it's huge. Staying below that threshold means fewer restrictions in many parts of the world. You can fly more freely, more often, without worrying about complicated regulations. But this drone isn't just about skirting rules. It's about delivering high-level performance in a compact, lightweight body. At its core is a built-in 360-degree camera that captures in dazzling 8K. That's not just a spec to throw around, it's a creative game-changer. Imagine soaring above a mountain ridge, spinning through a canyon, or drifting across a city skyline. You're not just filming what's in front of you, you're capturing everything, every detail, every angle, every moment. Later, you can reframe the footage however you want. Miss the perfect alignment mid-flight? No problem. With 360 degrees capture, you can fix your angle afterward, keeping your shots cinematic without the stress. The design itself is engineered for clean, uninterrupted footage. One of the biggest challenges in drone videography is keeping the drone out of its own shots. Propellers, arms, and landing gear often sneak into the frame, breaking the immersion. Not here. The anti-gravity drone has its components strategically placed outside the camera's view. When it takes off, the top lens rises up like it's announcing showtime, while the landing gear retracts smoothly and the body tilts slightly to avoid rotor shadows and prop blur. The result? Footage so clear and uninterrupted you'll forget the drone is even there. Now, let's talk controls. Too often, drones feel intimidating for beginners, but Insta360 has designed this bird with accessibility in mind. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pilot or someone whose only experience was crashing a toy drone into a tree. This machine is intuitive. The real magic lies in the variety of control options. You've got traditional controls, of course, but also futuristic ones. FPV goggles that let you experience true cockpit immersion, motion controllers that make you feel like a Jedi guiding your craft through the skies, and even touchscreen finger tracking. Picture this, you're swiping in the air like Iron Man commanding holograms, and the drone responds with precision. It's immersive, futuristic, and ridiculously fun. But Insta360 isn't stopping at hardware. Through the anti-gravity hub, they're building a community. This isn't just a drone, it's a platform where pilots and creators can share ideas, pitch new features, and even see those features come to life in future updates. It's about giving creators a voice and recognizing their contributions, which makes flying feel less like a solo adventure and more like joining a growing movement. Of course, no Insta360 product would be complete without powerful editing tools. The anti-gravity drone integrates seamlessly with Insta360's editing software. You can go from flight to Final Cut without juggling multiple platforms, keeping your creative process smooth and efficient. For content creators, that's huge. Less time worrying about workflow and more time focusing on creativity. While anti-gravity is making bold moves, DJI isn't standing still. Rumors of the DJI Mini 5 Pro suggest advanced features like telephoto shooting modes, obstacle avoidance, and smooth, slow-motion recording. But the catch? Its weight may finally cross the 249G line that gave the mini-series its travel drone superpower. That raises questions. Do pilots still want ultra portability? Or will they lean toward heavier, more capable drones like the Air series? This sets the stage for one of the most exciting rivalries we've seen in the drone world. Insta360 is pushing the boundaries of creativity with its immersive 360-degree vision, while DJI continues to refine its mastery of cinematic aerial storytelling. It's less about who wins and more about how much pilots stand to gain. Each company is raising the bar, and the skies are about to get a whole lot more interesting. So, where does this leave us? The drone market is entering a new chapter, and Insta360's anti-gravity drone is leading the charge. Lightweight, powerful, and built for creativity, it's not just another flying camera. It's a bold statement about the future of immersive flight. From its seamless 8K 360-degree capture to its intuitive controls that make flying feel like something out of a sci-fi movie, this drone is designed to inspire. At the same time, DJI is preparing to fire back with its own innovations, pushing its Mini and Air series into new territory. This clash isn't about minor upgrades or spec bumps. It's about rethinking what drones can do and how they fit into the lives of creators. For pilots, this is the best kind of competition. Both sides are raising the stakes, which means the rest of us get more powerful, more creative tools to work with. Whether you're chasing cinematic drone shots, exploring new perspectives in 360-degree, or just discovering the thrill of flight for the first time, the skies have never looked more promising. The future is airborne, and here at Factic, we'll be right there with you, capturing every moment, every angle, and every story these incredible machines make possible.